using the trigonometric table. Okay. And first example is now I am taking easy example. Then one by one, value of sin 45 plus value of cos 60. What is the value of sin 45 plus cos 60? So we want to add here value of sin 45 and value of cos 60. So first we know that we want to find out the value of sin 45. What is the value of sin 45? So you have need to trigonometric table, but here is no trigonometric table. So use your mind and find out the value of sin 45. What is the value of sin 45? So value of sin 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Next, cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? Check it. Value of cos 60 equal to value of sin 13, right or not? Check again. Value of cos 60 is equal to value of sin 30. So value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2, right? Now add them. So you know that these are the rational form, you can say, and this is also irrational and this is rational. So how to add the irrational and rational number? And one more important thing, yes, when we adding an irrational number to a rational number, result will be irrational. Okay, yeah, some will be irrational. So here denominator is root 2 and here denominator is 2. So we have take the first LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and root 2? So we get 2 root 2, because if two numbers they are not same, their product will be, I think, LCM. And you can say these two numbers are different form. Okay, these are not true for all numbers, but 2 root 2 is the LCM. Now 2 by 2 root 2 divide to root 2, we get 2, and 2 into 1, 2 divide by 2. To 2 root 2 we get root 2. So we have get a result 2 plus root 2 upon 2 root 2. It is not the correct form of this, because denominator comes in irrational form, right? So we want to remove the irrational form. Irrational number, okay, means we want to remove the 2 root 2. So by the conjugate we have multiplied this number 2 root 2 plus root 2 upon 2 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 2 upon 2 root 2 up and down. Okay, so what we get? Now start the product. 2 root 2 into 2 we get 4 root 2. Now take the sign positive. 2 root 2 into root 2. So product of root 2 and root 2 we get 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. Now same product of 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. This is the square of the number. So 2 into 2 4, and root 2 into root 2 2. So at last we get 4 root 2 plus 4 upon 4 to ja 8. This you can also simplify the solution and take the common term from the numerator, and common term is here 4. So remaining value is under root 2 plus 1 upon 8. Okay, so solution will be root 2 plus 1 upon 2. So in this way, this is a simple form of, this is a simple way to solve the example. Okay, so questions related to the trigonometric table. First you learn the trigonometric table, and after that step by step, because if you know that the trigonometric table, so these are the general mathematical fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiply, divide, and you know very well how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. So most important thing is here trigonometric table. If you learn trigonometric table, so easily you can find out the solution. Okay, one more example for you. Okay, so I hope you have getting the properly these in this way whatever I am telling you. Okay, next example. Suppose that you have taken another example and taking large form sec 30 degree plus cosec 45 minus cos 30 degree upon tan 45 plus sin 60 minus cot 30 degree. And in this question I have included all the functions. So in this way you can easily learn the trigonometry table and put the operation on your mind and open it properly, because if you watching the trigonometry table and after that you solving the question, so I think this is a long process. So directly you have open your mind and memorize all the values of trigonometry table and put it. And then using the formulas of trigonometry functions, your trigonometry ratio, you can solve, find out the value of sec 30, cosec 45, and how to remember, how to memorize, I will tell you now. Sec 30, so dear student, one more thing, how to find the value of sec 30. So remember it, sec is the opposite form of cos. So first we want to find out the value of cos 30, and cos 30 is the complement of sin 60. So value of sin 60 is under root 3 by 2, right now. So sec 30 is the opposite form. So value of sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. Are you getting properly? Sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. Next, cosec 45. So you know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, and opposite form of root 2 is root 2. Understand? Next, cos 30. Value of cos 30 is sin 60. Okay, complement of sin 60. So 60 degree sin 60 root 3 by 2 means cos 30 is value of minus 3 by 2. Now next value is tan 45. This is easily way. Okay, you can find out how, because tan 45 is value is 1, and easily you can find out the value of tan equal to where you can solve. Tan 45 means sin 45 upon cos 45. One year to time if you practice this in this time, in this way, so you can get easily, you can learn easily. Okay, trigonometry table. Sin 45 value is 1 upon root 2, and cos 45 is value is 1 upon also root 2. So 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon root 2 we get 1. So tan 45 is value of 1. Next is value of sin 60. Value of sin 60 is direct, you can write root 3 by 2 and minus cot 30. So again cot 30 is equal to cos 30 upon sin 30 degree. Okay, cos 30 upon sin 30 degree. Value of cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. Sin 30 by 30 degree value is 1 upon 2. So we get under root 3. Under root 3. This is the value of under root 3. That is the value of cot 30. Now we want to simplify the given term, because these are the very important. If we miss any value, okay, but from the trigonometry ratio, so solution becomes wrong. So these are very important. After that, using the simple way of adding the numbers and subtracting the numbers, we can solve it. From the numerator or from the upper side of the decimal form, we find out the LCM of root 3, 1 and 2, so we get 2 root 3. Okay, and now we have solved it. Root 3 divided by, root 3 divides to root 3 2 times, 2 to the 4, and by 1 we get 2 root 6, because root 2 into root 3, product is root 6. Next sign is minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, so we get root 3 into root 3 we get 3. Okay students, now next term, from this we get LCM 1, 2 and 1, so we get here LCM is 2. And now open the term, we have solved the term. So from 2 we get 2 plus 2 divided by 2 one time, so 1 and root 3 and minus sign 1 divided 2 divided by 1 2 times, 2 into root 3 2 root 3. Okay, in this way you can solve easily. Now simplify it. 4 minus 6 1 plus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 3 2 root 3 long way आएगा, right? 1 plus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 3, and from this stand here plus root 3 and 2 minus 2 root 3, so the remaining value is here negative root 3. So 2 plus 2 minus root 3 upon 2. Okay. Now rational number divided by rational number. So this denominator. Okay. In this way we can change the form. Now we have multiplied direct. Okay. To multiply the numerator by numerator and this denominator multiply the numerator. So numerator down. Okay. So by multiplying 2 we get 2 plus 2 to the 4 root 6, and by 2 root 3 we get 4 and root 3 minus 4 3 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 plus 4 root 6 upon 4 root 3 minus 6. Taking the common part we can solve. By the common part, here 2 is common, so remaining value is 1 plus 2 root 6, and here common part is again 2, so remaining value is 2 root 3 minus 3, so 2 to 2 cancel here, you can say divide one time, so remaining value is again 1 plus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 3 minus 3. Okay student, I think you have this half solution, because this is not the proper solution again, because denominator comes in irrational form, so we have need to rationalize the denominator form, so we have need to multiply by the conjugate number. Okay, so now I am removing, okay, erasing these the method, and 1 plus root 6 upon 2 root 3 minus 3 multiplied by 2 root 3 plus 3 upon 2 root 3 plus 3. This is the conjugate form. Okay. In 9th standard you have studied about the rationalization. If denominator comes in the irrational form, so how to rationalize a given number. Okay. So by the conjugate number you have multiplied by up and down and conjugate. Okay, and rationalize it. So now start the product of 1 plus root 6 and 2 root 3 plus 3. So what is the product of these numbers? We get 2 root 3. After that 2 to the 4 and root 18. Next by 3 we get 3 plus 6 and root 6. And product of these numbers, this product is the form of a minus b and a plus b. This is the form of a minus b and a plus b. So product of a minus b and a plus b become a square minus b square. So directly you can find out the product. First taking the square of first number, so square of 2 root 3. Square of 2 and root 3 minus square of second number is here 3. Okay. Next solve it. 2 root 3. Yeah, again you write 4 and root 18 plus 3 plus 6 and root 6 and solve it. Square of 2 root 3, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So 4 3 is 12 and square of 3 is 9. Okay. And now we want to simplify the term 2 and root 3. 4, just here root 18. So how to simplify root 18? Root 18 means 3 into 3. 3 3 are 9, 9 2 are 18. So make the pair and take one number from the outside from the square root sign. So it become 3 root 2. So easily we can write root 18 can be written form of 3 root 2. So product of 4 and 3 12 root 2. Okay. Next plus 3 and now same 6 root 6. Root 6 can be written form of root 3 and root 2 upon 12 minus 9 3. Okay. And at last we can use taking the common part from 2 root 3 and otherwise from this we can use 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3 root 2 plus 12 root 2 plus 3 upon 3 taking common part, otherwise left it and it's your solution completed. Okay. And I think this is long process. So one by one you have again keep the watching properly and understand the concept of